Porter. I finally got his name, Porter. He never gave it to me, but I got it. Look at this kid. Oh, an explorer. You guys want to let me know how many more bodies we got, or we just got 2 bodies? Officers arrived and the second body went down. I don't know if this cop's responsible. Porter. Unbelievable. Can I get any comments?
Nope, not this time. Sorry, buddy.
This time?
Nope.
Can't let me know how many bodies you got?
I'm not. Sorry, man.
Guys, never trust a cop. They're fully trained liars. They learn it on the first day in the police academy. They are not your friend. Welcome back to News Now, where we react to the best cop watch and amendment audits trending on YouTube today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for new cop watch and First Amendment audit videos daily. This cop watch audit video is recorded in Jackson, Michigan, featuring the Blackman Leone police outfit. In this police accountability video, cop caught lying gets owned hard, ID refusal, First Amendment audit. Investigative journalist Freedom News Now exposes a tyrant cop who appears to leave behind a trail of blood and bodies on nearly every welfare check call he responds. Cop appears to be a real-life Dirty Harry. This Blackman Leone officer who failed to identify on a previous cop watch now gets identified and owned. Journalist stands his ground in the face of tyranny, remains calm, and films the police to help educate citizens and officers on the right to record in public. Watch this cop caught lying gets owned hard, ID refusal, First Amendment audit YouTube video. Learn how to hold police accountable like never before. Remember, stay safe, stay vigilant, and always film the police. You can see here you got a flat tire. The tow truck driver's here to fix this cop's flat tire for him. The cops aren't going to do it. They're not going to fix their own tire. They got the tow truck driver doing their work for them, their dirty work for them. So this cop, he's calling me out by name, doxing me again. Same cop that doxed me down at the boat launch where there was a person in town. We got 2 people here on this scene and this cop's involved again. Got 2 members of the community. This cop's here again on scene. We'll see if he wants to identify himself this time. He wants to try to call me out by name. Another tyrant cop for Blackman Leone. So this time 2 bodies this officer's on scene. Last time 1 body. These cops are dangerous. Guys, never trust a cop. They're fully trained liars. They learn it on the first day in the police academy. They are not your friend. Here comes his backup. Got another cop walking up. Hey Sergeant, can I get any comments? No comments? How many bodies you got? Can't tell me how many bodies you got? Okay, so they got 2 bodies down. They don't want to identify. I already heard. Allegedly there was 1 down before cops arrived, and then when cops arrived the second one went down. Still to be determined how the second suspect or subject went down. Most likely as a result of officers Just another day here in Jackson, Michigan. 2 bodies down. Cops are laughing about it. It's hilarious. You guys think this is funny? You're laughing about it, huh? I don't find anything funny about this, officer. One that refused to identify himself last time to me. Still don't know his name. Still don't know this cop's name. He's laughing. Look at him. He's laughing. This is hilarious to him. Got 2 bodies down. He's laughing. Porter. I finally got his name. Porter. He never gave it to me, but I got it. Look at this kid. Oh, an explorer. We got 2 bodies down. You guys want to let me know how many more bodies we got, or we just got 2 bodies? Officers arrived and the second body went down. I don't know if this cop's responsible. Porter. Unbelievable. Look at, we got 4 cops standing around while the tow truck driver changes his tire. Four cops standing around while one man does all the work. Come on, guys, help him out. You got 4 of you standing around. Can't one of you help him out? Come on, guys. I'll help you out. Here, let me over there. I'll help you out. No, they won't let me help him out. There they go, guys, going to clean up the mess. Can I get any comments?
Nope, not this time. Sorry, buddy.
This time?
Nope.
Can't let me know how many bodies you got?
I'm not. Sorry, man.
Dang, you put some weight on, Piggy. Officer Bacon. Officer Bacon put some weight on. Look how porky he's gotten. I see why he can't change his own tire. Had 4 cops standing around. They can't even change their own tire. Talk about worthless. So this cop here, this is he goes by Officer Porter. He failed to identify last time. I'll show a clip of that video where there was a body down at the park and he was there.
Stay on the grass,
Identify yourself for me, officer. Name and badge number. You want to bark orders? Name and badge number. I know what's going on here.
This is a crime scene.
I know what's going on here. I'm not in your crime scene. Put tape up. What's your name and badge number? He was the first one on scene there where there was a body. Now he's the first one on scene here where there's 2 bodies. One before he arrived and one after he arrived. They better do a full investigation of Officer Porter, Blackman Leone Police Department.